Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best silicone spoon is probably one of the most underrated tools in your kitchen, but trust me, it's a game changer. From effortlessly folding cake batter to scraping the last bit of sauce from your favorite pan, this simple utensil does it all. Today, we're diving deep into the world of silicone mixing spoons, exploring why they become a kitchen essential and helping you find the perfect one for your cooking needs. Number 5. Silicone Long Spoon Set, Blue. This set is made of high-quality, BPA-free silicone. It's the best quality, chosen to ensure your safety and health. It's perfect for cooking, mixing, and stirring. This long spoon is suitable for various occasions, from family gatherings to outdoor picnics. You can use it for coffee, tea, or other drinks. It's also great for mixing ingredients like sugar, flour, and spices. It's an ideal gift. This spoon can withstand temperatures up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, is almost equal to 250 degrees Celsius. It won't discolor, warp, or melt. It's sturdy and durable, designed to last for years. The soft, non-stick design protects your pans from scratches. Cleaning is incredibly easy, just wash it by hand or in the dishwasher. It also has a hanging hole for convenient storage. If you have any questions or are not satisfied with the product, please contact us. We are here to provide you with the best solution. What we like. This spoon can withstand temperatures up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for all your cooking needs. Its easy-to-clean design saves you time and effort in the kitchen. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile spoon for various cooking tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. Strong, long silicone spoons with metal in it to keep it from bending. Will not scratch your new cookware for sure. Excellent silicone spoons. And you get 3. Very satisfied. Needed new spoons, so I ordered 3 different sets. The other 2 melted and/or broke. This set so far so good. What more can I say? I literally tested them against others and nothing has happened to them. They work hot or cold. They have a little flex to them which honestly works out perfect when stirring cookie batter or lasagna fill or other thick recipes. I bought these to use in my new pots and pans so they wouldn't get scratched. I'm very happy with the sturdiness of the spoons, they're very well made. Number 4. Dioro 2-piece Silicone Spoon Set. This is the new 2-piece silicone spoon set from Dioro. It's designed for all your cooking needs. These spoons are a must-have in any kitchen. Made with food-grade, BPA-free silicone, this set can withstand heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. You will never have to worry about melting your spoons again. They are built to last. The spoons are 13 inches long with a stainless steel core. The ergonomic handle fits perfectly in your hand. This design makes it easy to handle a variety of kitchen tasks. These silicone spoons are incredibly easy to clean by hand and are dishwasher safe. The one-piece design prevents food buildup, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. It's very easy to maintain. Whether you're stirring soup or serving vegetables, these spoons won't scratch your cookware. The non-stick silicone is gentle on your expensive pots and pans. It's a great choice. Dioro is dedicated to creating positive experiences. If the product is damaged, they will replace it at no cost. Your satisfaction is their priority. What we like. This spoon boasts an impressive heat resistance up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it won't melt under pressure. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use. If you like to cook at high temperatures or want to protect your expensive cookware, you should choose this one. What people say. Rather than another lightweight plastic or silicone kitchen utensil, these handles have a metal core which gives a good, hefty, sturdy feel while using these large cooking spoons. Silicone is smooth and looks like these spoons will last. Both are well made, sturdy, and a lifetime warranty to boot. Number 3. Silicone spoons for cooking, black. These spoons are made of food-grade organic silicone and are 100% BPA-free. It's designed to withstand high temperatures, making it durable for all your cooking needs. This spoon is perfect for stirring, mixing, and scooping. You can use it with various ingredients, from batter to soup. The smooth surface ensures it won't scratch your other utensils. Silica gel cookware is built to last. It's insoluble in water and most solvents, and it's chemically stable. You can count on it to be a reliable part of your kitchen for a long time. The spoon is ergonomically designed for comfortable handling and ease of use. It can also be hung in your kitchen to save space. Cleaning is a breeze. The silicone spoon is easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher, making your cooking experience even more convenient. What we like. Made from food-grade silicone, this spoon guarantees safety and peace of mind while cooking. The hygienic design prevents food buildup, ensuring easy cleaning. If you are looking for a durable and safe option for your kitchen, you should consider this one. What people say. High-quality silicone spoons with a slightly shorter handle. Fits well in drawers and handles most jobs. Very sturdy. They are made well and very easy to cook, stir, and serve with. These are a good size. I don't like long handles. They are very easy to clean. I stick them on the top rack of my dishwasher. Great spoons. Doesn't bend and holds up great. Number 2. Shappy 4 Silicone Cooking Spoons. You'll receive 4 vibrant silicone mixing spoons. They come in bright colors, perfect for your daily cooking needs. There are enough for sharing or as replacements. Each heat-resistant spoon is about 10.6 inches long. This size is ideal for use and provides enough length to handle comfortably. It also has a hole for hanging and drying. These kitchen spoons are made of high-quality silicone. The one-piece design makes them easy to clean, with no hidden residue. They are heat-resistant from -40 to 220 degrees Celsius, ensuring safety and convenience. The spoons come in 4 bright colors. You can easily identify them. These colorful serving spoons will brighten up your kitchen and make cooking more enjoyable. These spoons are great for cooking and stirring various foods. Use them to mix soups, salads, and more. They won't scratch your cookware and are designed for long-term use. What we like. This spoon comes in multiple bright colors, adding a touch of fun to your kitchen. The nonstick material makes it easy to clean and maintain. If you like to add some colors to your kitchen and want a convenient and easy-to-use spoon, you should consider this one. What people say. They are sturdy, don't scratch my pans, easy to clean, and I like the assorted colors. They are really rigid but soft to the touch, so they don't flex at all when you stir food. The silicone is so versatile and doesn't stain. It has softer edges than nylon, or metal of course, so they don't scratch the pan surface. Number 1. Silicone Nonstick Mixing Spoon, 2PCS, Black. Introducing the 2-piece Silicone Mixing Spoon Set. They are made of food-grade silicone and are BPA-free, ensuring safety for you and your family. These spoons are heat-resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use them for mixing hot and cold food. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This versatile tool is perfect for stirring, mixing, and serving. It's great for batters, honey, jam, and more. You can enjoy cooking and make delicious food for your family or friends. The mixing spoon adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. The handle is soft and comfortable, so you can enjoy every moment of your cooking time. We are committed to providing you with a high-quality product. If you're not satisfied with the silicone mixing spoon, please contact us. What we like. This spoon is made of food-grade silicone, ensuring your safety. It is heat-resistant and can be used for various cooking tasks. If you are looking for a safe and versatile spoon for mixing and serving, you should consider this one. What people say. Ideal for stirring things like sauces, gravy without scratching desired cookware, and offered in a variety of colors. These are steel covered in silicone so they are safe for non-stick pans, strong, and super easy to clean. These spoons are highly heat resistant and durable. Easy to use in the kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.